I hate you so. Come on,
Hey, is this red? Is it blinking red?
Sexy well planned. Hydrate.
Oh, go, Dad.
That makes a great video. You didn't do anything though. It was pointless.
Bye.
Come on. Don't be shooting me either.
Keep walking.
No, I hooked it.
It's the most excitement I've had all day. Yes.
Where'd my pen go?
It's over there somewhere.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Help me find my pens that I blowed you up with. I'll shoot harder than you. That's my official my first kill with these. That was good. I wanted to get Jacob, but I thought, well, we're not gonna hook it right here.
Okay, how you killed us?
Did you?
That was what we killed them too.
Yeah, you're
I mean, we killed pretty much everybody around us.
Did you jump it off?
Next, dude.
I have to watch that. Hey, that's patented. Don't be doing that.